Rubbish. Who does that?
Sorry, Oga Lucas enter house. Wetin happen?
Lucas, wetin happen now? Wetin come
It
happen?
don't happen. That's a useless wife. When I just married for us,
Lucas, wetin happen?
it's not that useless to me.
Your wife.
Yes.
Wetin happen?
First, when I give money, make it take cook rice for me. As I won't go work.
You borrow money, marry her?
I'm not borrow money. No, listen to me. I give her money, make it go cook rice. Now, before I just come out from where I go, it take Ken to take rice.
So wetin you gonna do now?
I wash one now.
Bam!
I wash one.
That's normal. Give me 5.
I wash one. I wash
Baby,
one.
give my friend food. Give my friend
Oga
food.
Lucas, may I bring food for you?
I beg, give my friend food.
Who does that? Can you just imagine? Woman, when I carry my money,
Woman
they
nice.
do marriage.
Woman nice.
I carry money, na money, I not thief am. They pay dowry. Now this woman get mind. Carry Ken to take boy rice down for me.
Oh boy. My wife no go fit do this kind of thing. I'm telling you.
Oga
You don't
Lucas,
reach me. Huh?
no vex o. This children dey go school. All the whole plate don dirty. No vex.
Child, there is God. Oh.
May God not allow them make
I
them
mean,
kill you.
they give food.
All the whole plate don dirty.
I dey complain say my wife take Ken to take boy rice. They don't take
No.
don't look at me.
Lucas,
They
wait.
won't kill me.
Manage am.
Look at you now.
Like a mumu man.
Na me fuck up.